Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the CyberVest EA for MT5. This is a gold-only system for the M5 time frame that includes multiple filters and adaptive recovery features. So let's examine the claims and take a look at my backtest results. Alright, as you can see, the EA goes for $225 US, and if you expand this, you can see on the MQL5 page that CyberVest EA is a fully automated expert advisor developed specifically for XAUUSD on the M5 time frame. It's designed as a structured trading framework that combines automated execution, smart filtering, adaptive trade management, execution control, and account protection features. The system includes direction and time filters, volatility checks, market noise filtering, an AI-based signal validation layer, economic news protection, and execution/slippage controls. It also incorporates smart lot scaling and adaptive recovery logic that users can adjust through the input settings, along with funded account style protections such as daily loss control, maximum drawdown limits, maximum trades per day, and maximum open positions. Performance is stated to depend on market conditions, broker execution, spread, account type, and the selected input settings. The key features include the XAUUSD only focus on M5, multiple internal filters and AI signal validation, news protection module, smart loss scaling with recovery management, maximum lots and exposure controls, funded account protection tools, and customizable risk parameters. The recommended setup is XAUUSD on the M5 time frame, minimum deposit around $250, ECN slash raw slash low spread account, leverage of 1 is to 100 or higher, hedge accounts, and a VPS for continuous operation. The EA is designed for brokers that quote gold with 2 decimal places. Alright, so we have some backtest results on the website. Let's take a look. So you can see for an initial deposit of $50 for ranging from 2023 to 2026. You can see a total net profit of $12,709. The profit factor was quite high at 20.52, and the recovery factor was 525.82. The drawdown was just 0.17%. So these results actually look good on paper, but like I said at the beginning, I was able to put the EA through my own personal testings. So let's quickly go over to MT5 and check out how it actually performed when I carried out my tests. All right, so you see I have it installed already. I used the recommended pair, the XAUUSD on the recommended time frame as well, M5, for the custom period of a year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. Okay, so on a 10K account, my initial deposit was $10,000. You can see that the equity curve shows a gradual decline ending with a net loss. As you can see in the results, the net loss was $1,205. All right, you can also see the profit factor was below 1 in this case, 0.71, and the balance drawdown was 12.10%. However, the history quality is only 24%, which further limits confidence in the modeling. Illustrating results under the tested settings indicates that the combination of filters, recovery logic, and market conditions did not produce a positive edge after costs. The presence of adaptive recovery and smart loss scaling means the risk profile can shift from single entry behavior into recovery style exposure when those modules are active. Even when described as controlled, Recovery logic increases position size or adds trades after losses and therefore carries the classic path-dependent risks of such methods. The extensive filter stack and news protection are useful design choices for reducing weak entries, yet they did not prevent a net loss in this particular test. M5 Gold remains in noisy environment where spreads and slippage can erode small edges quickly. Let's go back to the site. So honestly, the features that matter most are whether the recovery and loss scaling modules are enabled or tightly limited, the risk percentage or fixed loss relative to account size, the daily loss and max drawdown protections, and thorough verification on the user's own broker and data. Low history quality adds another layer of caution to the numbers. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, adaptive recovery can turn modest losing sequences into larger drawdowns. M5 Gold amplifies transaction costs. Strict filters can reduce trade frequency or leave the system inactive in certain regimes. In practice, start with recovery features disabled or at their most conservative settings. Use a true low spread account and VPS. Monitor the protection limits closely and treat any positive claims as conditional on the specific configuration and market period. Past results never guarantee future performance. Overall, the CyberVest EA is a structured XAUUSD M5 system with multiple filters, AI signal validation, news protection, and adaptive recovery plus smart loss scaling. My shared backtest showed a net loss. This is quite opposite to what we saw on the website here, with moderate drawdown and low history quality. Independent configuration, testing, and conservative handling of the recovery modules are essential. Always trade the money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex button on the description too. Trace it out there, and I'll see you in the next video.